Hi, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to single crochet 2 stitches together. Often it's abbreviated SC, the number 2, TOG. So you will start by inserting your hook into the stitch to be worked, yarn over and pull up a loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch to be worked, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll now have 3 loops on the hook. You'll yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and that creates one single crochet together stitch, which has brought these 2 stitches down to 1. I will repeat the steps there for you a couple more times. Insert your hook in the first stitch to be worked, yarn over, pull up a loop, and insert your hook into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all 3. Do another one. 1, 2, 3. And one more. And there you have the single crochet 2 together stitch, which is used to decrease, also often called single crochet decrease, or abbreviated sc2tog. Thanks for watching. Visit ChristaCoDesign.com for more tutorials.